Hello and welcome to today's video on how to have healthy hair every day. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair, so it's important to take care of it on a daily basis. This means regularly cleansing and exfoliating the scalp to remove excess oil, dirt, and product buildup. This can be done with a gentle scalp scrub or by using a clarifying shampoo once a week. Next, let's move on to the actual hair. To keep your hair looking and feeling healthy, it's important to use a good quality conditioner every time you wash your hair. Conditioner helps to hydrate and detangle your hair, making it easier to comb and style. It's also a good idea to use a leave-in conditioner or serum to protect your hair from heat damage and breakage. In addition to using the right products, it's also important to be gentle when washing and styling your hair. Avoid using hot water when shampooing and rinsing, as it can strip your hair of its natural oils and lead to dryness and breakage. And when styling, use a low heat setting and avoid using too much tension, as this can also cause breakage. Now, let's talk about trims. Trimming your hair regularly, about every 6 to 8 weeks, is important for maintaining healthy ends and preventing split ends. Split ends can travel up the hair shaft and cause further damage, so it's important to nip them in the bud. Finally, it's important to protect your hair from the sun, wind, and other environmental factors. Wear a hat or use a leave-in conditioner with UV protection when you'll be spending a lot of time outdoors. By following these simple daily routines, you can maintain healthy, strong hair every day. Thanks for watching.